If you want to bypass ChatGPT account without using your personal phone number, then go to Google and search free virtual phone numbers for ChatGPT. Here you will find different websites providing free virtual phone numbers for bypass verification codes. Here I will open two websites. One is Anonym SMS and second is 24sms.me. These virtual phone numbers are renewed after 1 day, 2 day, 1 week, depending upon capacity of receiving calls. So if one number is not working for you, then send code to another number or go to another website. You have to try different numbers or different websites and you will find solution. Here on this website you can see that these phone numbers were renewed after 6 hours, 7 hours, and people are sending their sign up verification code for ChatGPT and they are receiving their codes on this website. So you can try and you can also get your verification code. This is not authentic that you will get your code on your first phone number, so try different phone numbers, different websites. In this way you can sign up with ChatGPT without using your personal phone number. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.